today I thought I might use this Dilmah peppermint leaves with Ceylon cinnamon. To make this, I'm basically doing some curry powder, raisins, a little bit more cinnamon, onion, garlic and ginger. That's it. Olive oil to start, going to fry that. But first I want to make one of the accompaniments, and that is a tzatziki. So I've got some great yogurt. It's just Greek style yogurt, nice and thick and rich. A little bit of diced cucumber, a small amount of raw garlic, which adds a really nice flavour to tzatziki, and some black pepper. Also, a little lemon juice, and that'll add some life to the dish itself and to the accompaniment. Now for crunch, I'm going to do something a little bit different and use some apple. But this first has to be mixed up, and then a couple of tea bags of the tea, and let it infuse. Now, which oil you use is up to you. I'm using olive oil, a nice amount, get it nice and hot, and then we're going to cook all of these ingredients. The oil is starting to smoke. I'm going to add the onions, garlic and ginger. Stir that around a little bit. Add my curry leaves, just tear them in half. They'll pop a bit, so watch out. Cook this 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes golden. All right, so it's starting to color really nicely. Just lightly, it doesn't have to be dark brown, but become aromatic and lots of flavor coming out of it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, but also 2 bags of this peppermint tea. Next will be some curry powder. Doesn't have to be anything special, no fanciness, just nice curry powder, some raisins. They're going to add the sweetness to balance the curry powder. A little bit of salt. And when the curry becomes fragrant, that's the time to add the lamb. And that reason for that is so that you end up with a really beautiful toasty curry flavor, not just out of the packet raw curry flavor. Okay, so half a kilo of lamb. And it's important when you're doing this in the initial stages to break the lamb down, really mix it through, because this will ensure that when you do cook it, all the meat will be totally separate. So what I've done is made a little salad here. It's got a bit of mint in it and just some lettuce, and then apple. Now apple's going to add a beautiful flavor and texture to it as well. Time to assemble. So pita bread, cut in half and opened up like nice pockets. So firstly, you need to pack it with your lettuce, and then some apple, yum, a little bit of the lamb, put it on top. Okay, and then lastly, this tzatziki with the peppermint inside it. I would say this half a kilo of lamb will be enough for at least 2 or 3 hungry people. That's it. Look, a really tasty, simple pita bread. Tea is inside, not just the lamb, but also in the tzatziki. But it goes, it's peppermint going with lamb. Perfect. Have a cup of tea with it. And this will make the perfect brunch. Enjoy.